If you're learning how to tattoo, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be doing this script tattoo together. I'm going to show you step by step how to line it, how I'd colour and shade or pack this particular piece. Super simple, super fun one to do. Let's get straight on with it. So just a quick one, I'm using a 5 liner, just a standard. I'm using the Skins mats. I'm using a budget friendly machine. I think this were £200-300 or like $250-350 if you're in US, so not a top of the range anything. We're just using solid black ink, and this is a perfect design for beginners because it highlights straight lines, tight packing. I've only just put the stencil on, so it's going to smudge a little bit, but we'll get cracking straight away. So I'm left-handed, so I always start bottom left. If you're right-handed, you might want to start bottom right. And I'm going to take everything nice and slow. Turn me that around so it don't get in the way of the camera. So as I'm doing these tiny little bits, I'm just filling in so there's no dead space. So you can see I'm just doing the bottom lines and then coming up a little bit. And rather than having to get into that bottom bit with the round shader later, I'm just, as I'm there, just quickly fixing it. So I'm just going and getting all of the bottom sections in, just so when I wipe it, I can't lose that stencil. Making sure to leave a little gap between the M and the P. Now we can start packing as lines. Now because these are all going to be getting coloured in solid black, I know that if I start doing a line and I run out, I can almost just taper it in a little bit because I know that that's going to all be solid black. If you notice as well, sometimes I'll push a line, sometimes I'll pull a line. So that's done intentionally just because I'm that used to teaching people how to tattoo online, and I think it's massively important that you can do things in any direction. So I like to just, whilst I'm doing these like little designs, just practice doing everything multi-directional. So just slow and steady. Again, because I know that these bits are so small, rather than trying to get in with the round shader later, I'm just patching right in them corners in with the little 5 liner whilst I'm there. So because this is on artificial mats, just quickly, if you found it useful and you're interested in drills, simple designs, full tutorials, a step-by-step curriculum, and been surrounded by like-minded people, check out our school community. I want to try and avoid wiping whenever I can, just because these stencils never quite hold 100%. Whereas if it were on a person, as long as you're giving it drying time, that stencil is going to be there to stay, so you can be less cautious. But we'll just quickly fire through the line work, getting these straight lines done. Again, just as I'm in the area, just filling in those little bits that would be tight for the round shader. A lot of people look at this like style of work and say, oh, that's really simple. And in essence it is, but equally, because it shows every single mistake, that's what actually makes it a difficult thing to tattoo. So that's the line work done, and as you can see, I've already gone into some of the corners, so that they're not going to need doing. This line where it's really thin, I'm just going to hetch in. Maybe this line as well, because that would be quite tight for the round shader. Notice I'm not rushing, just nice, slow and controlled. And then if we swap to a round shader now, which I'm going to use a standard 9, I think it is. And then just tight little circles, nice and slow. Not rushing. Up and onto the line, side to side, up and onto the line, side to side, just nice and slow like that. And I think as a beginner, this is the bit that most people really struggle with, and it's just having that patience. There's no rush. So there I can barely even move, so I'm just gently etching back and forth. Tiny little circles, if you can see. But what happens is, even little simple things like that, people start rushing it, and then the ink doesn't go in right. Whereas if you just slow down, relax, just take your time, everything starts working exactly as it should. So let me have a little clean up at area so you can see what's going on. Which on these skins mats, as you've just seen, when there's ink and it's not coming off, just a little bit of ointment, give it a wipe, just wipes away. Super simple and super easy. So look, just circular motions, overlapping each other each time, side to side, not just up to the line, but up to and onto the line. That way there's not going to be any gaps. But I can't stress enough the importance of, look, you do not rush this bit. It's got to be slow and controlled. And that's the biggest thing that I find for total beginners. They find doing little things like this, they start rushing, they want to go really fast. You don't, just nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race, as they used to say. That's the M, nearly finished. I'm a huge believer, and anybody familiar with channel or my online courses, listen, tattooing, it doesn't have to be complicated. You can do things in a simple way and get really good results. We don't have to overcomplicate every single aspect. Just break things down into the simplest term, whether it's a TMP or a portrait. But you notice how slow I'm building up that line. This is what tends to happen. People start just doing this, then it all ends up patchy, then you've got to go over it. Whereas if you'd have just done it nice, slow, steady and controlled, it would have been done like the rest of everything on this. It's all been done one pass. Perfect saturation first time. And that's because we're doing things controlled, slow, steady. There we have it, let's give that a little clean down. So if you're not already familiar with this channel, you're probably thinking, what is TMP? Stands for Tattoo Method Pro. We've got an online course that breaks down the fundamentals of tattooing into its simplest form. This is what you need to learn day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. It leaves no stone unturned. This is just a nice simple tattoo. But if you want more videos like this, or deep explanations of how to line, how to shade, the different techniques, and a step-by-step program to go from never holding the machine to being able to do some pretty cool designs. As you can see, they're not complicated, but it's taking you getting them first steps, holding the machine, becoming comfortable with it, understanding what you're doing, and finishing the course feeling confident in what you're actually doing. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Then in the description there's going to be a link to a school community. It's cheap as chips. We're not trying to take everybody's hard-earned money. We've made it super affordable. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go check it out. Other than that, I hope that you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.